On with the vaudeville show. Here's the Muppet Show's answer to Lassie, the amazing Foo-Foo, and her equally amazing trainer, Miss Piggy. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Cool it! Ladies and gentlemen, now here she is, Foo-Foo the Wonder Dog. Yes. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Very good, Foo-Foo. Now for her second trick. Second trick? For her second trick. Very good. Now for her third trick. I'm going to ask Foo-Foo to solve a difficult mathematical problem. Foo-Foo, what is 2 plus 2? Whoop, whoop, whoop. One more. She wasn't finished. 3 is wrong. Well, I know that, but I figured out that was gonna close the sheet was gonna get. We shall do it again. This time, let her finish. Foo-Foo dear, what is 2 plus 2? Whoop, 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 whoop. Aha. Whoop. What are you doing? I was waiting for her to finish. Oh, wonderful. Now you've done it. Oh, you're all upset. Oh, sorry. Maybe that trick's too hard for her. Have her do something simple like roll over and play dead. Why don't you roll over and drop dead? If I wanted to do something simple, like I would have played the piano like dumb remarks. Now, would anyone like to see Foo-Foo dance? It's unanimous. Let's play the music. Alright, dance. What is it? Why'd you stop playing? I heard something. What? Sorry, Miss Piggy, old habits are hard to play. Come on out, Piggy, you're free. Whoop, 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 whoop. Have we ever said that this show has gone to the dogs? About 1 million times.